Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. Number 1181. 1181. Ooh, I love today's expression. Yeah. Actually, I like a variation of it, but this is such a common expression. I think it began in the 1980s, maybe the 1970s, I think. The expression is, it's Miller time. It is Miller time. M-I-L-L-E-R. And Miller is a proper noun. So that means a big M, not a little m, a big M. It's a name. It's Miller time means what? Check out the dialogue and I'll explain. Hey, John, can you come over and help me move some stuff?
Is it beer?
No, some furniture. Why?
It's Miller time. No more working for me today.
All right, so the first guy says, hey, John, can you come over to my house? I guess they're on the phone. They're on the telephone. Can you come over to my house and help me move some stuff? And John says, is it beer? Is the stuff you want me to help you move beer? And the guy says, no, some furniture. You know, a chair, a couch. Why? Why would you think beer? What are you talking about? Why beer? And John says, it's Miller time. No more working for me today. No more working for me today because it is Miller time. What is it's Miller time? It means it's beer drinking time. It's the end of the day. In America, one of the most famous beers is Miller beer. Yes, Miller beer, Miller Lite. It's actually a good beer. I don't mind it. I mean, it's a Pilsner. It's like Budweiser, Miller. They're all the same. But Miller, it's Miller time, became an expression. I think in the 1970s or 1980s from TV commercials. And it's just a great expression. Work is over. It's time to have a beer. Now, even if you don't drink, you can still use this expression, but most Americans that use this expression are going to have a beer. And you know what? Looking at my watch right now, it's Miller time. Check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English. Hey, John, can you come over and help me move some stuff?
Is it beer?
No, some furniture. Why?
It's Miller time. No more working for me today.
Hey, John, can you come over and help me move some stuff?
Is it beer?
No, some furniture. Why?
It's Miller time. No more working for me today.